If you're trying to decide between OptimizePress and Elementor for your landing pages, you're in the right place. Both tools are popular, but which one is truly the best for creating high-converting landing pages? Let's dive into the differences, strengths, and weaknesses of each, and by the end, I'll reveal which one I personally recommend for most users. Stay tuned. First thing, ease of use. OptimizePress has been around for a while and is specifically focused on building landing pages and sales funnels. It's very beginner-friendly, but the interface feels a little outdated compared to modern tools. Elementor, on the other hand, is a full-fledged page builder that works not only for landing pages, but for entire websites. The interface is sleek, drag and drop, and more intuitive, making it easier for those who want flexibility across different types of pages. But keep in mind, if you're solely focused on landing pages, OptimizePress may seem a little more streamlined. Next thing, design flexibility. Elementor wins here. With over 100 widgets, you can fully customize everything. The drag and drop editor is incredibly versatile, which gives you complete control over the layout and style. OptimizePress, although it offers decent design customization, doesn't have the same level of flexibility. You're more limited, especially in terms of advanced design features. If you're someone who likes a lot of control over the finer details, Elementor is the clear winner. The third thing, performance. Now, landing page speed is crucial. Both tools do an okay job here, but OptimizePress tends to create pages that are a bit heavier, which can slow down load times, especially if you're using a lot of elements. Elementor does a much better job at optimizing the code, but you still need to keep an eye on your page size and speed when using it. It's better out of the box, but with either tool, you'll need to do some additional optimization work if performance is critical. Next, pricing. Pricing is a huge factor for a lot of people. OptimizePress offers a relatively affordable one-time payment plan for lifetime access, which sounds great for those who don't want ongoing costs. However, its limited features might leave you wanting more if you plan to scale. Elementor has a free version, which is quite capable, but to unlock more advanced features like templates and integrations, you'll need the Pro version, which requires an annual subscription. For basic landing pages, Elementor's free version is a solid option, but if you want advanced functionality, it becomes more costly over time. The fifth thing, integrations. If you rely heavily on integrations with tools like email marketing platforms, CRMs, and automation tools, Elementor has a more extensive list of integrations. It works seamlessly with almost every major platform. OptimizePress, while offering some integrations, is more limited in this area. So, if you need to integrate with a wide variety of third-party tools, Elementor is a more flexible option. Finally, support. Both offer decent support, but Elementor provides more robust resources. With a large community, extensive tutorials, and responsive customer support, Elementor leads in this category. OptimizePress has good support, but its community and resources aren't as vast as Elementor's. So, if you value having a large user community and tons of resources, Elementor is the way to go. Now, both OptimizePress and Elementor have their strengths, but here's the catch: they both come with limitations. OptimizePress is great if you just need simple, no-frills landing pages, but if you want advanced customization, design freedom, or the flexibility to scale your business with full website designs, Elementor might fall short. So, after trying both of these tools and taking everything into account, design, flexibility, performance, pricing, and support, there's one more solution that outperforms both for the goal of creating landing pages that convert and scale. If you're looking for something better, take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. This exclusive offer gives you access to a better alternative with more features and a smoother experience. Don't miss out, click the link to get the best free trial, only available to our viewers.